This is motion censored LED light. It's really useful light. I like it. When you move at night, it's lighting automatically, and we are gonna modify it. Very simple. How? It has very simple metal something, double layer tape, but I don't want to stick it under my table or on my wall. I want something different, as you see. So we need this jar cap. You see? Very nice. But this light battery is, I think, low quality. In the future you need to replace it, but for now it's okay. I am going to use that kind of screw. The head is a little bit large and it's gonna hang very easy like this.